Is it cold?
No, it's the myth we're testing. Well, sneezes, but more to the point, can certain things make you sneeze? We're going to do a whole bunch of tests about certain things and see which ones actually can make you sneeze.
Ah, so we're learning today.
Yes, we're learning. And with us, as we always learn. This one is the flash is going to see if sunlight or normal light can make you sneeze. First one is normal light. Doesn't appear to be sneezing.
Doesn't seem to be working.
I think normal lights, we're going to have to call that one busted. Hang on. But to make it fair, we need to just have kind of you. We'll have me doing it as well.
Anything?
No.
No, nothing at all. We're gonna have to call this one busted.
Normal light busted.
Normal lights do not make you sneeze, guys.
We're recording.
He's staring into the sunlight now. We're gonna test it.
Fuck. No, nothing.
Nope. Well, that one is busted. No light makes you sneeze, guys.
And also, people don't stare at the sun. It's quite dangerous for your eyes. I'm going to try sticking your head in a cool place and see if that makes you sneeze.
Alright. You feel anything?
No.
We're real scientists. This is what real scientists do, guys.
Don't feel a single thing.
Huh? Well, let's just say for Mr. Cool, that one is busted.
But to make sure we're recording and then we're... Anything?
Oh. I feel a thing.
Well, like before, that one is busted. Now we're going to sniff pepper. Anything?
No, nothing. Okay, we're gonna have to say busted on this one.
I'm going to try.
Testing.
I feel tickled.
Oh, wait.
No, nothing.
No, this one's busted. The pepper's a lie.
I'll get a test to see if deodorant makes you sneeze. Nothing.
No? Do you smell pretty though?
Yeah, it's not pretty. Yeah.
That's the important part. Hygiene, guys.
Try tissues for your issues.
So now we're gonna find out if these things, putting them up our nose, is gonna make us sneeze, guys. Ah, nothing. Busted! Tickle, tickle, tickle.
No, busted.
This one's busted. Come on, health world. Give us a way to sneeze.